Hi guys, my name is Mustafa Kabir Khalid. I'm going to show you how to prove identity. In this question we have cos square theta minus cosec square theta minus cosec theta equals to cot square theta over 1 plus sin theta. To do this, we are going to apply trigonometrical identity as how we know them previously. If you look at our videos, lastly we proved that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 and the other identity that we have proved. In this video, we are going to look for cosec square theta minus cosec theta equals to cot square theta over 1 plus sin theta. Okay, we know that from identity, cosec theta it is written as 1 over sin theta. Therefore, this one it is written as 1 over sin square theta minus 1 over sin theta. Because here is square, therefore we have square, but here there is no square, therefore we don't have square. Therefore this one equals to, if we take an LCM, we have our LCM will be sin square theta. Why? Because sin square theta can enter sin square theta 1 times, and also sin square theta, sin theta can also enter sin square theta times. Therefore we have sin square theta as our LCM. Sin square theta into sin square theta will be equals to 1. Then 1 times 1 equals to 1. But sin theta into sin square theta will enter sin theta times. Therefore, sin theta times 1 equals to sin theta. Then we have this one. Therefore, we have 1 minus sin theta over sin square theta. Since we have this situation, we can change this one to 1 minus sin square theta. By how? Somebody may ask me that. By rationalizing. Sometimes, as I told you, that no need always to rationalize denominator. We can also rationalize numerator by multiplying by its conjugate. When we say conjugate, positive of a something, like if you have x plus y, then its conjugate is x minus y. Therefore, look at this one, 1 minus sin theta. Its conjugate will be 1 plus sin theta over 1 plus sin theta. It's just like we multiply by 1. Why? Because 1 plus sin theta over 1 plus sin theta will automatically be equals to 1. And 1 times any number is that number. Therefore, in this case, we did nothing. Therefore, any term multiplied by its conjugate will become difference of 2 square. If you look at this one, 1 minus sin theta times 1 plus sin theta, it is 1 plus sin theta is conjugate of 1 minus sin theta, and also 1 minus sin theta is conjugate of 1 plus sin theta. Therefore, any term multiplied by its conjugate is a difference of 2 square. Therefore, in this case, we have 1 square minus sin theta whole square all over sin square theta times sin square theta into 1 plus sin theta. Therefore, this one equals 1 square is 1 minus sin theta square. We have sin square theta all over sin square theta over 1 plus sin theta. Okay, from identity we have sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. If you want to have this kind of situation, we have to take sin square theta to this side. This implies that cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, in place of 1 minus sin square theta, we can replace it by cos square theta. Therefore, this one equals to cos square theta, which is something as 1 minus sin square theta, all over sin square theta, then into 1 plus sin theta. But I want everyone to close his eye because I want to do something. Don't say it is magic. It is not magic. Look at this one. I may take it off. It will become in this situation cos square theta over sin square theta, then over 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta. I'm sorry. 1 plus sin theta. Don't say it is magic. Just close your eye. If you close your eye and I take sin square theta off, It's not magic. If you have denominator, if you have fraction divided by one number, the denominator of that fraction can take down. And also if you have number divided by one number divided by another one number, you can take this term off, but it will be at the denominator of the numerator. Therefore, we have this situation. This time it is the center at this time. You can go and check particularly. But you know that, why do you do that? Somebody may ask me that. The reason why we do that, look at our target. We have cot square theta. But here we have cos square theta. How can we have cot square theta? By dividing cos square theta by sin square theta. Therefore, it is not forbidden, or it is not prohibited for you to take numerator off to numerator. It is not prohibited for you to take denominator to numerator. Therefore, we have this situation. Therefore, cos square theta over sin square theta is equals to cot square theta over 1 plus sin theta. This one is the final answer. Oh, I know somebody may say from here, I just do some mathematical maneuver. If you don't want to follow this procedure, you can say that from here, this one is something as cos square theta over sin square theta, then times 1 over 1 plus sin theta. This one times this one, we have this one. This term times this one, we have this term. But you know that cos square theta over sin square theta is something as cot square theta, then times 1 over 1 plus sin theta. Cot square theta times 1 is cot square theta over 1 plus sin theta. This is the end of our answer. Don't forget to subscribe at our channel, Trigonometric at youtube.com. Thank you for watching.